Hello, how are you? Welcome once again to this your channel. With this tutorial we will start to make our Esmeralda princess. For me she is a princess since she's super pretty, super brave, and without a doubt she should be part of our collection. With this first part, I will show you all the materials you will need and also the videos that you must see before continuing with the second part. So let's start. To make this body, we already have a tutorial in this channel. In the description of this video, I will share the link. In that tutorial, the body is made with flesh-colored yarn and orange underwear. For Esmeralda, we will use wheat colored yarn for her skin and white yarn for her underwear. For her hair, we already have a tutorial. It will be the same as the hair of our Princess Merida. I present to you our Princess Merida. You will make the hair exactly the same but using black yarn. You will place it the same. We will only do more details later in the second part. In the description of this video, you can find the link. Also, in the second part, we will make this tape. Let's see the materials that we will need. This princess is about 29 centimeters. We will need wheat colored yarn, approximately 66 grams. White and brown yarn for details in her eyes. -10mm safety eyes. A silicone tube 1 centimeter in diameter and never less than 12 centimeters long. Stuffed white yarn for her underwear and for her dress. Black yarn for her hair, about 100 grams. Rosewood color for her tape. Strong water or aqua color. Gold color for these details. Purple and lilac. I used 2.5mm hook for this yarn Sinfonia number 8. I used 2.5mm hook for the X-shaped single crochet. If you do the V-shaped single crochet, I recommend a 2.0mm hook. In the description of this video, I will share the link in case you want to know more. We will need a wool needle, scissors, pins, and some closure for her dress. I will use these materials, but you can use a button or also you can sew it, whatever you prefer. If you like, you can use chic blush, This is all the materials that we will need. I hope you liked this tutorial. And if you're still not part of this wonderful community, I invite you to subscribe and activate the bell so that you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next time, bye bye!